So this morning we're gonna try our hand at making a bamboo bridge. Don't know how to do that, don't know how to make a bridge, but there's lots of bamboo and we're gonna try.
So we don't claim to be experts at anything that we're doing right now, and that's totally okay. It's quite the opposite, actually. We know that we're completely amateurs. That felt pretty badass. At pretty much everything that we're doing right now. And that's part of the fun and part of the journey. It's part of our journey. And we know that things are going to be difficult, that there's going to be pain, mistakes, injuries, failure, expenses, but we have accepted that as part of our journey and part of the path that we're on. And when we say the word journey, for us it feels a bit like a pilgrimage. We don't really know what's next. We only know the next week or the next month ahead of us. Everything is really a step into darkness and just hoping that there is something there for our feet to land on.
This is heavy. Holy crap.
I'm a bit concerned that this tree is going to fall into our moat if I cut it from the base, so I'm going to try and cut the top right through, and then it's just the base we have to worry about. I don't know if it's going to work, but let's see. In flip-flops. I don't want to put it right there.
Almost. One more.
All right. That's probably not how you do that, but... So we just had our first little farm incident. Laurel was cutting the banana trees, and the dead outer skin on the banana is always very tough. And if your knife isn't really sharp and you're not swinging hard enough, it'll bounce off. Her hand was next to it, bounced off, hit her hand, and she's got a pretty good gash on her thumb. I'm not good with blood, but I'm gonna go help her. Good thing she's a nurse and knows what to do and can walk me through, but Yeah, let's see the crime scene here. There you can see blood on the bananas and on the ground. And that is the tough outer skin that I'm talking about. This stuff right here. So never hold your hand next to where you're cutting. And make sure you're putting enough power to get through that. Alright, let's go check out Laurel. How you doing, baby?
It's okay, I just need your help to,
Any message to the viewers?
watch your hands when you're swinging a machete. Just like the dead rat that we found in the bathroom the other day. It's not gonna be the last one, so I'm sure this will not be the last minor injury that happens.
We are not experts by any means, and that's okay. And it's okay to fail and make mistakes and hurt yourself, because there's learning in that. And we really feel that that's an important message to hear for a lot of people today. There's a lot of people paralyzed by failure, paralyzed by not knowing how to do something, or not being able to do something proficiently, instantly, so you don't do it. I think we just wanted to share this with you so that you know you don't have to be an expert, and that you can step out into the unknown and try something new. We place so much importance on the success at the end of a pursuit, when really the growth and the change on a personal level happens on the journey to that success. It's on the road to the end that really shapes who we are and what we can become. And that's a good place to be. It's a place of growth, of ever-changing abilities. It's where we find ourselves.